Hi everyone, my name is Darren Mar-Elia, and welcome to my course, Designing and Managing a Group Policy Deployment. I'm the VP of Products at a company called Semperis, and I'm founder of GPOguy.com. I created this course as a follow-on to my Group Policy Fundamentals course. It provides the skills for the next step in your group policy journey, those of deploying, managing, and securing group policy in a real environment. I've also added some one-of-a-kind content on securing group policy from attack based on my own recent research. This course is going to cover the following topics: group policy linking and filtering best practices, GPO delegation and securing group policy from attackers, using group policy to harden your Windows environment, and troubleshooting common group policy problems. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence to recommend and implement a successful and secure group policy deployment in the environments in which you work. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basics about how to create, edit, and link GPOs, and have a familiarity with Microsoft GPMC. I hope you'll join me on this journey to up your group policy game with designing and managing group policy deployment at Pluralsight.